horizontal plane? 90 degree, very good. 90 degree clockwise rotation. That is the basic rule. That is the rotational line method. So that is very important method to use to draw the 2D diagram. Okay. Normally we can get the view in the 3D projection. Okay. Front view, top view, above XY reference line, below XY reference line. All those things it will be there in the 3D projections. For our understanding we can use the 3D projection. After we can get the projection and all, we just want to convert to the 2D projections. Okay. For that we need to rotate the horizontal plane 90 degree clockwise. Then we can get the views. So that particular view we are going to draw in the software also. Okay, to create the diagram. Yes. So the second and fourth quadrant, due to the merge with another one, the view it will be merged with each other. Okay. So that's why we can't never use those two views, two quadrants, second and fourth quadrant we never use in this world. Okay. Only we are using first and third quadrant. So in our country we are using first angle of projection. So that's why we are dealing only the first quadrant. Okay. So all you understand the particular thing. So let me move to the. So that is a very important basics part. Okay. So from line topic we are going to see the projection of lines. Okay. From this particular line topic onwards we are dealing only the first quadrant. Yes. I get my point or not? What is the first quadrant? How the projection will be there? Again I am asking the same question. In front of VP, vertical plane, above horizontal plane. That is the location of the point. Okay. Not only point. Now from now onwards, each and every like line, plane, solids, whatever the topics, we can using only this is the standardized rule. Okay. Above HP and in front of VP, that is the location we are using the first quadrant. Okay. And also that is very important thing. First one is above horizontal plane, in front of vertical plane. So the second one is front view, where I am getting the front view. Above horizontal plane, normally we are getting a front view. Below XY reference line, I am getting a top view. So these two important things we just want to know. Okay. So let me continue the projection of lines. Okay. From we are moving to the projection of lines. So all of you keep it in your mind how the first quadrant positions and locations and all. Okay. So listen, this is the first quadrant. For your understanding, you can imagine this quadrant is the first quadrant. We have already discussed in the four quadrants, am I right? Yes. So this is the first quadrant, second quadrant. You are the observer. You guys are the observer. So this one the first, second, third, and fourth quadrant. Okay. So the first quadrant, in our previous topic, we are taken as a small pitch of any object. Okay, assume as a point. Am I right? So here I am taken as this pen will be a line. You can assume. We already know that. So the collection of points and joined the various points joined together to form as one line, continuous line. Lakhs and lakhs of points will be joined together to form as one line. Am I right or not? So here. This is the pen normally, okay. But you people, you can imagine and assume this is the line. Yes. So this is a point A. This one is a point B. This one is a point A. The cap side will be I am assuming this is the cap side. This is a point A. This is the end point. This is the point B. These are the two ends I am getting. Okay. This is the AB line. This is the AB line. Okay. The AB line, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Normally we are using these four quadrants in the projection of points. But here we are using only the first quadrant. From now onwards we are using only the first quadrant. Okay. From the particular first quadrant, how the line which can be located, according to the line representation we can deal with the various problems. Okay, so now you can assume any one of you judge how the line will be located. This is the line location. The line which can be represented like this. Any one of you try it. Whether it will be right or wrong, please try it. Yeah, very good. So the line AB, okay, the length of 70 mm. You can assume like that, 70 mm or 80 mm, whatever it is. I am taking an example, okay. So the line AB located on, like Hariharan said, no, located on XY reference line. So XY is nothing but the origin line. Am I right or not? This is the origin line. So vertical plane and the horizontal plane joined in this line. Am I right? So that line will be known as origin line or XY reference line. So like Hariharan said, on the XY reference line. Okay, AB line 70 mm length, it will be located on XY reference line, or otherwise AB, the line 70 mm length, okay, on both HP and VP. Both HP and VP. According to the vertical plane and the horizontal plane point of view, we just want to say like that also. It is also right. Like Hariharan said, it will be located on the XY reference line. That is the origin line. Am I right? That is also right. Like if we are having a plane representation. Okay. So that's why we are dealing in the plane point of view. Okay.